Hello everyone! In this video, we'll understand two powerful feature detection algorithms in computer vision, SIFT and SURF. These algorithms help computers detect and describe important points in images, even if the image is rotated, scaled, or partially changed. SIFT, developed by David Lowe, stands for Scale Invariant Feature Transform. It detects keypoints that are scale invariant rotation, invariant robust to illumination, changes. SIFT works in four major steps: scale space construction using difference of Gaussian keypoint localization, orientation assignment, descriptor generation, 128-dimensional feature vector. Because of its robustness, SIFT is widely used in object recognition image stitching 3D reconstruction. However, it is computationally expensive. SURF stands for Speeded Up Robust Features. It was designed as a faster alternative to SIFT. Instead of difference of Gaussian, SURF uses box filters, integral images for fast computation, key characteristics, faster than SIFT scale and rotation invariant, uses a 64-dimensional descriptor, standard version. SURF is suitable for real-time applications where speed matters. Quick comparison. SIFT, more accurate, computationally heavier SURF, faster, slightly less detailed. Today, many deep learning-based feature extractors exist, but SIFT and SURF remain foundational in understanding classical computer vision. Understanding SIFT and SURF builds strong fundamentals in feature detection, a core concept in computer vision and AI. Thank you for learning.